Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also like and share this so that other friends can see it too. Today I'm using my bell peppers from the garden to make yellow pepper pesto. So as you can see here, I've crushed some nuts and I have burnt my yellow peppers. I roasted them on the stove top because the oven is too big for just 4 peppers. I've peeled off the skin at this point and I'm just going to clean off the char. Look at that. Now let's chop it all up and add it to the nuts, parmesan and garlic. Blitz it and bottle. Now I can use this in my favorite sandwiches and salads. Tell me how you used yours. Did it turn out good? Do you have a different recipe? Share with us in the comments below. Don't forget, if you are new, to hit that subscribe button, like and share so that everyone can see this video too.